Yeah.
Okay. So now we are going to talking about today is the Java 8 Stream API features. What is doing that is the Java 8 version is going to the say this Stream API help to us calculate the data and process the data. That means we are going to calculating the data, and processing means in which way I have to response to desire to my wish I have to do. I will process the data. Java 8 version has some new features. Is going to talking about this is a types of programming known as your functional programming. This Java 8 Stream API features is saying that it's a functional programming. It's that's like that's a functional programming, right? So we have to understand what is the functional programming we have to do here. So functional programming Java, it's saying Java 8 Stream API features programming known as your functional programming. This API features programming known as functional programming. But we are going to understand what is functional programming. Functional programming is going to the say that means what to do, means functional programming is going to the say any functional like C is also your functional programming. It going to the say what to do, that is the means of what we have to do, and remaining part will be handled by this Stream API features. Mean you don't need to say how to do, only to the say what to do. That is the functional programming meanings. मतलब जावा एट स्ट्रीम एपीआई फीचर्स का ये पहला है कि ये जो प्रोग्रामिंग है ये फंक्शनल प्रोग्रामिंग है, और फंक्शनल प्रोग्रामिंग का मतलब ये होता है कि आपको सिर्फ इतना बताना है कि आपको करना क्या है। और वो जेवीएम जो है, आप जानते हो जेवीएम इज़ अ वेरी स्मार्ट पर्सन, इट्स सेइंग आई विल डू एवरीथिंग। आप सिर्फ इतना बताओ मुझे आपको करना क्या है यहाँ पर, व्हाट टू डू। That is the meaning of Java 8 Stream API features, right? So finally conclude करेंगे कि Java 8 Stream API features is also known as functional programming, and it means it's saying what to do, and remaining part will be handled by this Stream API features. Okay, so write down all of you. Java 8 Stream API features heading down and write down. Everybody is completed. Everybody is completed. So write down. Stream API help to us. Just hold 1 minute. You will be right after some time. I am going to just consider one more part. So that is the. It means that it say only what to do, and one is the functional programming is there. This is the 8 version. When is coming to the 7.0 version, Java is coming with the 7.0 version. It going to the say up to this 7.0 version, Java is a purely object oriented programming concept. That is the object oriented concept like OOPS. So object oriented programming is saying what to do, is that saying what to do, and also you have to the say how to do. That is the meaning of object oriented programming concept. That means how to do and what to do. So Java 7.0 version up to that it was the object oriented programming. You have to the say what to do, and second you have to the say how to do. That is the both you have to the mention. मतलब आपको ये भी बताना है कि आपको करना क्या है और कैसे करना है, ये भी आपको बताना है, क्योंकि आप क्लास और ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ वर्क करते हैं, तो आपको ये दो चीज़ों को मेंशन करना होगा ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामिंग कॉन्सेप्ट में। बट फंक्शनल प्रोग्रामिंग क्या कहता है कि आप सिर्फ मेरे को इतना बताओ व्हाट टू डू, and that means I will handle by this all the features, and that is the 8.0 version is the smart version of Java that is giving the features of the Stream API, and that is supported your functional programming, and it's a what to do, that's it. Okay, so that is the difference between the functional programming and OOPS programming. I hope all of you are getting to this point, right? So we have to the right to that. Just hold 1 minute only.